everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're going to make a quick simple project. This is a gift card holder, and this is the fall version, but we're hoping to make some other versions as well, so yours may look a little different, but it should go together the same way. So what I did was I went ahead and printed the pieces on cardstock, and then I flipped them over and put them back through the printer and printed a printable paper design on the back, just so the back wouldn't be plain white. And then I cut everything out, and I did print the notebook pages on regular paper, so they're the only thing that's printed on regular paper. And I went ahead and cut everything out, and then to put this together, it's really simple. We're just going to go ahead and score this piece along the lines, and then this as well. And this is going to become a little pocket, and we're going to apply just a little bit of glue right here. And then this is going to fold like this, and it's going to become your gift card holder, okay? And then for the notebook, we've got this piece that folds right along here, just like this. And then your notebook pages can all go inside of here. And if you want, you can staple them right here and then just flip this over the top, or you can, staple right here and that'll hold it in place, whatever you want. And then that's gonna go inside the pocket of our little gift card. So you've got a little notebook just to go along with your gift card for whoever's receiving this. And then this is a little folio piece that also comes with the kit. And again, we're just gonna go ahead and fold it along these lines, just like this. And then that's gonna become the thing that holds our gift card. So if you have like a coffee shop gift card like this, you can place it in here and that'll become the gift card holder. And then how you put these together is entirely up to you. We've got some pieces here that you can use to decorate it and to hold it in place. So if you want to, you can add some brads to this, so like punch some holes in it and put some little brad fasteners in, and then you could tie a string around these and that could hold that closed. And if that seems complicated, you could also just put a little Velcro dot here and just boop, Velcro that shut. Or you could use one of these little pieces from the kit. So it's up to you how you want to do that. And then same thing when you close your gift card holder. You could use, one of these to kind of hold it in place. Or you could use this as a decoration here and use your little fleur-de-lis to hold it in place. Or you could use this one. It's entirely up to you. And then you could also use the pumpkin circles here and use little brad fasteners again, and then just tie a string around those to hold it in place. So lots of options here. I'm gonna go ahead and just assemble it the way, I want to, and you can certainly follow along and do it the same way if you want. So let's go ahead and quickly put this together. Okay, and this is your assembled gift card holder. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.